All right, 8th graders, this is to help you with question 3 on CR16. It says express the quotient of, let's see, that is, I gotta figure it out to be able to read this number. So that would be 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, I believe billion, 5,550,000,000, and 3,000 in scientific notation. Okay, so they're looking for the quotient. Quotient tells me I need to divide. And they're telling me my final answer has to be in scientific notation. So if I look down the list, I know for scientific notation, my first factor has to be between 1 and less than 10. Has to be between 1 and 10. Then it'll be times 10 to some power. That's scientific notation. But the reason I'm saying that is because before I even start the problem, it's a multiple choice. I start looking down. If I know my first factor has to be greater than or equal to 1 but less than 10, well, this first factor is less than 1. A doesn't have a shot. This first factor here is greater than 10. B doesn't have a shot. So now it's either C or D. So I just wanted to eliminate some choices. So now I'm going to take 5,550,000,000, and I'm going to divide it by 3,000. And the nice thing here, if I'm going to divide out powers of 10, I can just cancel out that 0, divide out that 0, divide out that 0. So really, to make my life easier, now I have 5, 5, 5, and I'm only left with 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. Divide that by 3. Because if I eliminate those 3 zeros and I eliminate those 3 zeros, it just makes my division easier. So now I'm going to bottom out. I'm going to take 3 into 5, 5, 5, 0, 0, 0, 0. 3 goes into 5 once. Then we have 3 into 25 going 8 times. Three into 15 going 5 times. And then up above these zeros, I'd have to fill in 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So there we have it. So when we divide out, we get 100, 0, 0, 0, 0, sorry. We actually get 1,850,000. So now I'm going to take 1,850,000 and put it into scientific notation. So I'd take this and I'd move this decimal point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places over. 1.85 times 10 to the 6th power. And I'm going to be honest with you, that is not how I would have done this problem, but that's just me. I would have first written both numbers in scientific notation and then divided out and had my final answer in scientific. But in my classroom, I see a lot of students who like to handle everything in standard form and then convert back to scientific at the end. So that's why I handled it that way. All right, I hope that helped.